Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start in Google Earth with a signed-in session and the map centered on your target area. First, choose the coordinate format you want, decimal degrees for simplicity or DMS for surveying, and keep that in mind. Next, zoom tightly to the location and enable the placemark or Add Placemark tool. This is where you'll input coordinates. Once the placemark dialog opens, you're ready to paste or type coordinates directly into the latitude and longitude fields to lock the point. Now you'll input coordinates carefully. Paste or type latitude and longitude into their respective fields using a negative sign for south and west values. If your coordinates are in a different format, convert them first, decimal to DMS or vice versa, so Google Earth interprets them correctly. For multiple points, create separate placemarks and give each a clear name. This makes batch organization simple. Once placed, visually verify the pin location against imagery and adjust decimals slightly if finish by saving your placemarks into a project or My Places and export them as KML or KMZ if you need to share or archive. Make sure numeric precision suits your need. Add more decimal places for higher accuracy. If a coordinate won't place correctly, troubleshoot by confirming you use the correct format and negative signs, and try the other version of Google Earth, web versus desktop, to rule out interface quirks. If problems persist, recreate the placemark and re-enter the cleaned coordinates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.